Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Logistic back with another video, and today I want to show you guys something interesting that I found quite recently that I'm sure a lot of you guys will be interested in because you clicked on this video. And it's called Salad. It's like this platform which works similar to my previous video where I talked about Unmineable, where you mine crypto, except here it's kind of just money, not really crypto, and you can use this money to buy all sorts of different gifts and to buy all sorts of different things like games, gift cards, and many different things that I'll show you guys in the video. But before we get into that, just a quick message from our partner Mudrex. Mudrex is a platform that makes investing into cryptocurrency very simple. Whether you want to play it safe or risky, Mudrex has all the options for you. If you watched my previous video, you might recall that to invest into a coin set, you actually have to spend around $100 minimum. However, that has been changed and dropped all the way down to just $10, still with no fees, provided that you use a Mudrex wallet. And speaking of Mudrex wallet, in order to invest into Mudrex, you need to either connect an exchange or use the Mudrex wallet. Mudrex wallet is powered by Binance, so it is safe and secure and makes it very easy to invest into Mudrex. As you can see, it shows whatever you have invested into, but the best part is the cashback scheme that is currently going on, where you can get a cashback up to $500. Also, if you deposit crypto into your Mudrex wallet or you invest using your Mudrex wallet, you can get an instant cashback of up to $50, as you can see right here. I also want to briefly introduce Mudrex mints and algos. In Mudrex mints, you can invest into different investments that go from low to high risk, so it's up to you how much you want to actually risk, and these investments were made by analyzing strategies that are used by professional traders. And in algos, you can find algorithms or trading bots that were created by the best traders on Mudrex and are fully automated. Feel free to ask some questions regarding these in the comments and I'll try my best to respond. You can find out more in the website by clicking the link in the description or in the comment section that will get you a free $25 credits right as you sign up. Alright, so here we are on Salad, and basically if you click the link in the description, it will take you to the place where you can download Salad, but this is basically the front page of Salad. If you go to app.salad.io, this is where it will bring you. And I've only been using Salad for 1 day and I've mined for about 9 hours, but we'll get to all that later. Let me just show you guys the website first. As you can see, there's all sorts of different rewards that you can get. As you can see, I'm scrolling through the website and there is so many different things that you can get. There's Roblox gift cards here, there's Hulu, Netflix, you can even buy gaming peripherals. There's gift cards like Visa gift cards, there is Minecraft stuff and different games that you can buy, even Discord Nitro, Roblox, as I've already said, Amazon gift cards, Fortnite V-Bucks, Spotify. So anyways, you get the point. There's all sorts of different things that you can do. Now, as you can see up here, I've got about $2 in my balance, which I know is little, but I got that just today. This morning, I downloaded Salad and I've mined for about 9 hours now, approximately 9 hours, and I've gotten $2. I'll show you guys how you can download Salad and how you can set it up. But before we get into that, I need to first show you some proof that I actually did mine for 9 hours. So if we just click here on summary, as you can see, in the past 24 hours, I've started from here. Let me show you past 30 days, nothing, 7 days, nothing. Just today, this is only from today. As you can see, I only started today, and every 15 minutes, I mined about $2 or so. And now I'm sitting at $2 just like that. So it's pretty good considering you're doing nothing and you're just sitting at home mining, letting your computer do all the work. This is pretty good, right? It's $2, but it would actually be less, but I'm actually making 2 times more because I'm using a referral code. Now you can use my referral code as well, which has all sorts of other bonuses that I'm going to tell you about right now. As you can see here, it says you will receive a 50% bonus relative to your referee Salad earnings paid out as they earn. However, it does not impact their earnings, so they will still be making whatever normally. You'll be making 50% of whatever they get as well, but only up till they get $1. Imagine if you get 50 friends to use it, that you can get all the way up to $50 just by other people mining, and that's on top of what you're mining. So it's pretty good, right? Obviously, that's my code right there. I'll leave it in the description as well. I'll obviously leave a link as well that you can use. But yeah, no one has actually used my code yet, which is why it says $0 earned and potential earnings. But hopefully, after you guys use my code, this will go up. Now, how to actually download and install Salad, I'll show you guys right now. First things first, you want to click download, which will bring you to this website here. You can basically click on whichever platform you want, or it will download it automatically. If it doesn't already automatically download, then you kind of want to click on, you know, whichever platform you're on. So if you're on Windows, you click on Windows. If you're on Mac OS and Linux, you click on one of these, whichever one you're on. They even have the source code here, which is pretty cool. That's it. You download that, it'll download the file for you. And once you open that, basically it will open up this thing right here. You want to click I agree, and it says Salad is running. So I'm going to cancel this because I already have Salad, but basically it will automatically install it for you, which once it does, it'll open up Salad automatically for you. So chances are your screen will look just like this when you download Salad. I've logged out so I can show you guys what to do. So you want to click agree, and then you want to give them your email. It will create an account. They'll send a link. They'll send a code to your email that you can use to sign up, and once you create your account, you'll then be back over here and you basically want to sign in from here. So as you can see right here, it has sent me an email, so I'm going to go to my email real quick and just open it up. Basically gotten the code from my email, and I will be going in, and there it is. It will bring you into the Salad software where you can then begin mining, but in a few more steps that I'll show you guys in a bit. That I can't exactly show you guys because I've already done the steps, but Salad actually guides you to download everything necessary. Basically, in this button, you can't immediately start mining. You'll have to do some other stuff first. They make it really easy for you. And just like Unmineable, if you have an antivirus, you have to whitelist Salad, which luckily for Salad, unlike Unmineable, actually shows you how you can do that. They have a step-by-step guide when telling you to whitelist. So if there's some sort of problems where your antivirus starts blocking Salad from running the miner, Salad will let you know about that and help you actually solve all that. So once you have that, you can then just click start and it will start chopping. It actually, in Salad, it says chopping. That's the word that it will say. It takes about a few minutes to start, and then you kind of just let it be and you'll see the money over here going up. Now, obviously it depends a lot on what the specs of your PCs are. For example, my laptop, I have an RTX 3070, so this is pretty good. It's pretty high end, pretty high tier, so it mines pretty well. And if you have something a bit less powerful, it's not going to get it, you know, that well or whatever, but regardless, it's still free money that you can get, and you saw all sorts of rewards that you can get from here. And it's very simple, right? Obviously, make sure to use my code because it's going to help you out significantly. You're going to make twice as much. Until you get $4, you'll be making twice as much money. So it's very important that you use a code. Even if you don't want to use mine, just use a code, okay? But please use mine. Okay. I don't want to waste your time, so that's pretty much all the important steps. If you have any questions at all, leave it in the comments. I'll try my absolute best to help you guys with it. And I know I've been making a lot of crypto videos. Well, not really. I made 2 in a row. So I promise from now on, for the next few weeks, I'll be uploading gaming videos. No more cryptos. I'm sorry, I had to do this. But yeah, that's it. Next time, more Roblox coming on the way and some other interesting games you might not expect. So stay tuned for those. Subscribe and like the video if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.